Here at Cultures for Health, we offer 3 different types of kefir: kefir starter, milk kefir, and water kefir grains. Today, we're going to look specifically at our water kefir grains in the first part of our 3-part series on how to activate, maintain, and flavor your water kefir grains. If you're looking to get off the carbonated beverages and get onto a more natural, good for your gut, probiotic-rich product, then water kefir is the way to go. Let's show you how to activate. The first step to activating your water kefir is to combine a 1/4 cup of sugar with a 1/2 cup of hot water. So we've got some hot water here. Our hot water from our tap is hot enough to dissolve our sugar, so that's what we used. We're gonna pour our sugar into our jar, and we're just gonna give it a nice little stir with our spatula. Stir it till it's mixed, till it's combined, till all the sugar is dissolved. Once your sugar is dissolved in your hot water, we're gonna go ahead and add our cold water. Give it another stir just to make sure all the sugar water is well mixed. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our packet of grains. Go ahead and take your packet out of your pouch and add it to the jar. So I like to shake my packet just to make sure all my culture, all my grains settle down to the bottom of the packet, and then I throw it in. I usually like to give them a quick stir just to make sure the ones on top got hydrated, so we're not seeing any form mold. Usually when you stir them, they'll settle to the bottom. That way none grow mold during the rehydration process. And then you can go ahead and throw your coffee filter on top with a rubber band, and this will sit at room temperature for 3 days. Once it's sat for 3 days, boom, your grains are activated. So, how do we know that our grains are activated? Well, there's a few things that will give it away for you. The first thing is obviously the brine is a lot cloudier than when we started, right? The brine, the sugar water mixture, whatever you want to call it, our liquid solution is going to be a fair bit cloudier than when you started. The other thing that you'll notice is there's bubbles forming around the rim and the side of the jar. The next thing you'll notice is that the grains themselves will have grown in size. And if you're using cane sugar like we did here, they will turn from that dark brown into more of a clear light brown. You may see a little bit of like mushy, kind of applesaucey, powdery texture. Don't worry about that. As your grains get active and healthy, they'll begin to grow and multiply. So if you see bubbles, or you see cloudiness, or you see grain size increase, or grain color change, all of those kinds of things are indications that your water kefir grains are active and ready to go. If you don't see any of these things, we encourage you to still move on to the next step and watch the next video for maintaining, because there's still a good chance that your grains will become active. Those good bacteria are there. They just need the right conditions and the right amount of love. And that's it. With a little bit of sugar, water, and your water kefir grains from Cultures for Health, you're successfully on your way to making delicious batches of water kefir. This was part 1 of a 3-part series, so remember to check out our other 2 videos of how to maintain and how to flavor. We love water kefir so much because it's great for your gut, has tons of probiotics in it, and you can flavor it and ferment it in your own way and your own style. We have recipes linked below if you want to try new and exciting flavors for your water kefir, and don't forget to share your results with us. We love watching people learn and grow and try new things, and we learn a lot too. So tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and we'll see you there. Happy fermenting!